All right, hi everyone. This is the Zadius Tech channel, and you're here in the right place if you're looking to get your PS4 fixed. So, helping me today, please everyone welcome Coverly.
Hey, I'm right here. So let's get started.
All right. So, okay, let's get into the questions where people are having problems with their
Yeah.
PS4 because I
So
know those take a while. So, hi, the new update has locked me out of my PS4 and will not update. The first thing to try is you go to my channel, just type Zadius Tech PS4. That's the easiest way to find it. Yeah, right here you see the video that say like how to fix your PS4. You're gonna want to try this one right here. The one that says how to reinstall PS4 system software without losing data. Yeah, but basically you're getting something like that, I'm sure. And I kind of show you like how to you hold on the power button on your PS4 for like 8 seconds, gonna beep twice, and then you're gonna go into something called safe mode here, and then you're gonna get this screen right here. So once you get to this screen, and again, you can just follow the video. You're going to want to select option number 3, which is update system software. It's going to use your internet connection to download the system update. And then it's going to, if it works, it's going to install it and then it'll boot up fine. If it doesn't work, I have another video where you can download, you'll need a USB drive. So this one where it says cannot start the PS4. So this one, I kind of show you how to prepare your USB drive. Yeah, you kind of prepare this USB drive and you load the system software on it, and then you plug it in when it tells you, and you're gonna say update, from USB storage device, and then you put it in, and when that first option doesn't work, then this one will work. Now, if neither of those ones work, then the next thing to do is to reinitialize your PS4, which is this one here, and this will unfortunately wipe everything on your PS4, but you can always log in with your PSN account and download all your games again. However, other stuff like Capture Gallery, other stuff will be gone. I know a lot of people don't like the option, but that's like, if you tried everything, try that. If that even doesn't work, then there's one option that one kind of second to last option you could try, which is this one here, how to reinstall the PS4 system software in under 5 minutes. And this one uses that method again of using a USB drive, this guy here, except you're going to download the complete PS4 system software. And yeah, you should be able to follow along the video. I know it's a little bit hard for some people to follow along, but I try to, step by step. If that still doesn't work, that means your hard drive has gone bad. And I left a link down in the description for a replacement hard drive. And then once you get the replacement hard drive, it's pretty easy to pop out the cover on the PS4, plug in the new drive, and then follow the instructions in this video to get the system installed again, and at least you get a working PS4 instead of having to buy a new one. So what happens when you're rebuilding the base? Okay, so one thing that can happen is that your PS4 system software can get corrupted, and then you're gonna have to do one of those things where you load the PS4 system software update, or you just install the complete system software update. Means it's gonna wipe everything on your hard drive. What could also happen is your hard drive can get damaged. The hard drive inside of your PS4 can get damaged, and you'll need a replacement. Oftentimes you'll hear maybe a clicking sound from your hard drive, or you get you already reinitialize your PS4 and you have problems where it's laggy, and you already did the rebuild database. There's this video where I have how to rebuild your database. That's if you have a laggy PS4, bad things can happen. So that happened to me one time where I accidentally unplugged the power, and then my PS4 had this message, cannot start the PS4. So it's happened to me, so I know it's frustrating. So I have a playlist, and it's on the description of this video. You'll see a playlist there. Go through the videos in that order that it's in. So one of the first videos, it's pretty simple, is this one right here. You're probably getting this exact message right here. It says cannot start the PS4. Actually, this one right here, cannot start the PS4. And a lot of people think this is fake, but this is actually this is the video where I accidentally unplugged my PS4 and it wouldn't start. And as you can see, this is my PS4. It happened to me. And you kind of go through the sequence of you're gonna go into safe mode, but then at the very end, you just hit cancel, and then the PS4 restarts, and then it starts working again. So for some people that works, and for others it doesn't. So again, just go through all the videos in that playlist. I think I have right here also. So yeah, how to fix your PS4. So go through them in the sequence it's in.
My PS4 won't recognize my USB drive no matter what, and I've tried everything.
Okay, so a lot of times I won't recognize it because it's not formatted correctly. If we look at the video, yeah, the one, if you go to my page and scroll to the right here, this one right here, I went very, very detailed, literally step by step of everything you need to do. So you have to like follow the steps exactly as I say. So if you do that, you'll be fine, and you'll be able to get your, see right there where it says FAT32 has to be formatted as FAT32. It could also be formatted as exFAT, but if it says like NTFS or anything else there, it's not going to work. Okay, so if it's slow, I recommend that the first thing you should do is rebuild your PS4 database. So if you go to my channel and then you look at the playlist that I mentioned, this is it right here, should be the second row. So you want to look at this one, and basically you have to go to safe mode, and then you're going to select the option to rebuild your database, which is option number 5. So do that and see if that fixes your problem. If it doesn't, then the next thing to try would be to purchase a new hard drive. And again, I left the link in the description to one I recommended. I know it fits for sure. Yeah, give those 2 things a try, and hopefully it works out for you. Other than that, it could be some kind of, if you swap the hard drive, then it could be some kind of hardware issue with your PS4. But definitely try the hard drive first, because that's a lot less than buying a whole new PS4 system.
My PS4 is saying error code, and it freezes every time I open up Fortnite.
Okay, so error code on the application. So yeah, that might be this error here. I think it's this one, the error code CE3005-8. That has to do with applications not loading, so I would give that one a try.
I do it, but my controller doesn't do anything.
Okay, so I know that problem.
Right, and it's those 2. I hold the PS4 button and nothing happens.
So you're trying to get in safe mode and your controller doesn't do anything. Basically, you hold on the PS button, nothing happens. You don't see the safe mode menu. That means you're not using the original USB cable that came with your PS4. You can try to look for another cable in your house to connect the controller with. It has to be a charge and data cable. So most of the cables that I have are charge only. They don't carry data. So you have to find one that does it. So if you have like a Samsung, like a smartphone, you can try that. If you can't find any in your house at work, I do have a link down in the description where you can buy one for pretty cheap, like under 10 bucks.
I rebuilt the database, and then 10 minutes later, when I'm downloading game, it goes back to safe mode.
Yeah, then it's time to buy a new hard drive, Chris.
That's probably it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does a plug-in hard drive work instead of one that's in
Oh,
there?
no. You have to open up your PS4 and take out the old one. It's not that hard. If you look at my video, show you guys really quick. Last resort. You see this one right here? So look how easy it is to take out your PS4 hard drive, guys. So that's what I'm saying. Just replace it. It's basically you take out the cover, you take out one screw right here, pull out the drive, pop in the new one. So just do that. It won't cost you that much, and it's not that hard to do. You can do it yourself.
It's like my PS4 Pro is on safe mode. I tried all the options and none of them worked. And then you got a hard drive, and that also didn't work.
Okay, so if you put in the new hard drive and it didn't work, either you didn't follow the instructions correctly and didn't download the complete PS4 system software. A lot of people just download the update, which is a much smaller file. So you want to make sure that it's a 1 gig file or above. PlayStation kind of fixed the website. Before it was really confusing. Now it's a little bit better. But yeah, go through my video again, follow steps step by step. If it still doesn't work, then there's just something wrong with your PS4, and it's time to get a new one or wait for the PS5, right?
What happens when you have the automatic download thing for the system software to download in rest mode, and then it will restart?
Okay, I heard about this. And the only thing I could say about that problem, from what people I've been reading in forums, is that if you have a disk inserted in your PS4 and you put it in rest mode, and then it tries to do the automatic update, for some reason it tries to read the disk, and then that fails, and that causes the rest mode download not to work. So if you have a disk in your PS4, take it out. And a lot of people reported that helped their problem where automatic downloads weren't working while in rest mode. So yeah, give that a try. That's the only fix I've heard about.
I tried to install an update and did all the steps that you said, but I couldn't get into safe mode. Could you please tell me what I need to do now?
Okay, so if you can't get into safe mode, it could be because, like I said, if you're not using the original cable that came with your PS4, when you basically, I don't have the original PS4 controller, but this is my SCUF controller. When you press the PS4 button, the PlayStation button in the middle, it's supposed to bring up the safe menu. If it doesn't bring up the menu, that means you needed to use a different cable. So you could try to look around your house for a different cable. It has to support both charging and data. If you can't find one, I do have a link in the description. You can buy one for under 10 bucks. Make sure to hit like on this video. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit subscribe. I'll put up the next stream in my community post. So just make sure to subscribe to find out when the next stream will be. Until next time, see you then.